This video will outline how to use the HTML templates built into the HTML editor within the VLE. So the assumption is you have already watched the how to create an HTML document video, where we sort of go over the WYSIWYG toolbar and sort of the ins and outs of creating an HTML document. So it is important to note as well that you do not want to apply a template to an existing HTML document. This is really meant to create new ones, because if you do have a bunch of text and things like that here and you apply a template, it will essentially overwrite it. You could always create a new one and then copy and paste the content that you want over, but this is meant for new HTML documents. So we're just going to put in a title, and to input the template, all we do is go over to this down arrow right here, click, and there are 10 different templates available for you right here. There is a slight description of sort of what they are, but you could obviously be using these for whatever you choose. So let's just choose the basic page, and it immediately inputs all of the different editing that's built into the template. So it builds in the different formatting, so it's chosen all these different things, different colors, and obviously this is totally customizable, so you can change the color of this text. You could change the banner if you wanted just by deleting this and choosing a new banner, but in general the templates are pretty good to go as they are. So I would be able to just sort of backspace this and start typing my what I want in here instead. Okay, and you can switch between the templates if you want. So I could go to, let's say I have a video that I really want to, one of my HTML is going to be mostly just a video, so this is all built out just for the video instead. And at any time, if you want to take a look at what it looks like, you can press save and look at it. So I'm going to do that with tabs. So accordions and tabs are a really great new set of templates that help to split up and chunk content. So if I'm going to click on tabs, and here are my two different tabs, and I might just put in this one, test 1 2, test 3 4, and just to give you a feeling of what that looks like, I'm going to save it, and then it creates these really nice tabs that you can cycle between the different information. Okay, and then you can choose, you could put pictures, videos in here. It's just a great way to chunk the information instead of it just being a big long list of information that all shows up on one single page. So the templates are a great way to make your content look nice, and you can still play around with them and again change pictures and colors and things like that, but it's a great way to build out your HTML documents in a professional way.